This is why you need a healthy travel plan. Avoid hospital lines, not souvenir lines. Use these tiny hacks for big payoff. Tip 1. Hydrate like it's an Olympic sport every day. Carry and sip plain water throughout long travel days. Use electrolyte sachets on long flights and hot days. Tip 2. Hand hygiene is your travel superpower everywhere. Wash hands for a full 20 seconds, or use alcohol hand sanitizer when water isn't available. Sanitize or wash after public transit commutes. Wash hands after using bathrooms or restrooms. Clean hands after buffets and shared food areas. Tip 3. Eat smart while exploring local foods. Pick busy, clean-looking food stalls with lots of customers. Avoid undercooked meats and raw animal products. Skip sketchy ice in drinks and questionable water. Tip 4. Sleep and pace your days wisely. Jet lag can wreck your immune system. Take short naps to recharge during long days. Keep a consistent bedtime to recover faster. Tip 5. Pack a compact travel medicine kit. Include antidiarrheals for sudden stomach issues. Bring oral rehydration packets to prevent dehydration. Pack basic pain relievers and fever reducers. Don't forget your regular prescriptions and backup supply. Bonus: wear a mask on crowded planes during flu season. Also mask up on busy trains and transit. Keep your distance if someone nearby is coughing. Final: 1-minute prep each day beats days in bed. Drink often, hydrate, and stick to your routine. Keep cleaning habits like sanitizing surfaces and hands. Prioritize sleep to keep your immune system strong. Think twice before that questionable street taco. Go have fun and enjoy your trip. Don't let a sniffle crash the whole trip.